Good morning, Neil. Today we are going to learn mathematics. What are tens and ones? This is 10. 10 plus 10, 20. So this is 1 10 and this is another 10. So these are two tens make 20. Okay, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. This is 1 2 3. So these are 3 tens makes 30. Okay, you got it? Very good. Now we revise it. 10 is tens. 2 tens means 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 3 tens, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. 4 tens is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. You got it? Now suppose I ask you, how many tens are there in 20? Can you tell me how many tens are there? How many tens are there in 20? So you see, this is the 2. It means 2 tens. Now if I ask you, how many tens are there in 30? So it means we are having 3 tens in 30. Now I ask you, how many tens are in 40? 4 tens are in 40. If I ask you, how many tens are in 50? 5 tens are in 50. Now you tell me, how many tens are there in 60? Right, you are right. Answer is 6 tens are there in 60. Now you have learned the concept of tens. Now I will teach you about ones also. Suppose we write a number 11. So what is 11? 11 is 10 plus 1. Okay. So this is 10 plus 1. 12 is 10 plus 2. 13 is 10 plus 3. So these are called tens and these are called ones. So in any number, if you see in 13, we are having 1 10 and 3 ones. Okay, like in 25, we are having 2 tens and 5 ones. This place is called ones place and this is called tens place. I hope now you understand it.